Says Sheikh, my mom hides all the snacks from me, so I can't eat them. But when she sleeps, I just eat with it without getting caught. So is this robbery? It's not robbery, but I'm pretty sure it's chocolate and things that are not good for you. And you should probably listen to your mom and maybe eat something that is healthy so that you are deserving of a snack, you know, afterwards. But yeah, and you don't sneak and eat without her knowledge. Huh? We have to be better.